Hello guys, I'm back again with another video on how you can attract great blessings, how you can attract uncommon blessings, how you can attract big blessings into your life. Today we are going to be using rice. Rice is a natural ingredient that God has created. Rice symbolizes plenty. You see, as it is, we cannot count it. And rice is very common all over the world. And with rice, you can't count it. It has positive energy. Rice brings uncommon blessings. Rice brings prosperity. Rice brings favor. You will find that most places where there is party, where there is celebration, rice is a common staple. Even when you bought all the meat, bought every other thing, there is rice. People look forward to seeing rice. Wherever there is party, wherever there is lots of gathering, people look forward to do what? To see rice. So today I'll be showing you how we can use rice to bring in a lot of uncommon blessings. Remember, I always tell us on this show that we need faith, which is the number one thing. Faith, believe in God. That is number one. If you don't believe in God, I'm sorry, this might not work for you. This won't work for you. So, first thing is faith. Then, as you believe, which is the first ingredient, then you need to ask God for forgiveness. In every area of your life, we are all sinners. Ask God for forgiveness. Even if you feel you have not sinned, we have all sinned. Ask God for forgiveness. Ask Him to cleanse you. So after you've done that, remember to cultivate the habit of thanksgiving. Always thank God. Always thank God. Even some days, you can just wake up and just begin to thank God. It works wonders. So after you've done all this, then you go outside your house. You know, your main door that leads into your house. Not your lounge, not your bedroom. The main door that you open to get inside your house. So that main door, you stand in front of the door, shut it, face the door, and start begin to pray. Begin to declare the things that you want in your life. Begin to declare, begin to decree the things that you want. Maybe those things are not moving fine. Begin to decree that they will move fine. Begin to pray. Begin to pray. Remember, you need to pray well. As you're praying, take little quantities like this and begin to throw it at the door. Begin to throw it at the door. As you're throwing it at the door, you are praying. You're asking for prosperity. You're asking for uncommon favor. You're asking for open doors. You're asking for that connection to great things. You're asking for the things that you want God to do for you. You're asking God for the business to prosper. Remember also, you can also stand in front of your business. Stand in front of your shop or your business where you are doing business. Face the main door that leads into it and begin to pray. And as you are praying, you're throwing this rice in this quantity like this. You are throwing it at the door. So as you are throwing it at the door and as you are praying, just believe that these things will happen. So be throwing it at the door. Be throwing it at the door and you are praying. Pray very well. Pray very well the things that you want to happen. And you will see greatness begin to happen. You will see how your business will begin to flourish. You can do this at any time of the day. You don't have to do it at night or morning. Just do it at any time of the day. Remember, you stand outside your door and shut the door. And as you're throwing it at the door, Throwing it at the door, you are praying, you are praying, you are praying, you are praying. Then once you've done that, you don't need to sweep it off. Just leave it there. Leave it there. And as you are opening that door, open it with smile that your prayers has been answered. Then as you're going by your day also, you can pour some of it in this quantity or even a little more. Pour it like that in your pocket. Pour it in your pocket and walk around with it. It will attract prosperity. It will attract plenty. Or you can even pour some in your wallet also. And you will see the goodness that will happen to you. You will see the blessings, the prosperity that will be pulled over to your house, pulled over to your business, pulled over to your wallet, pulled over to you. These are natural ingredients. They cannot harm you. So let us use this to our advantage. Use it to your advantage. Remember, rice is all over the place. And it draws people. Once you say there is rice anywhere, people will come. All manner of people want to come and eat. So I hope this video has helped someone. And I hope someone will do it today to bring that uncommon blessing towards them. Remember, if you don't take actions, some of these things will just be there and we will not know what to do. So take action today and change your life. Thank you so much for being here throughout the video. And I hope to see you in my next video. Take care for now. Bye.